If your kids love mac and cheese, try this baked version with beef sauce. Simple, filling, and perfect for lunch boxes. This is not a traditional Nigerian meal, but it's one of the meal ideas that I've learned here in Canada that works really well for busy families. I started with the beef sauce using minced beef and the rest of the seasoning. I let everything to cook together properly until the sauce becomes rich and tasty. This is one of my lunchbox meal ideas, and if you want to see how I pack it for my kids, watch out for the next video coming soon. Then I boil the macaroni until almost fully cooked and drain the water. So after that, you're going to mix the macaroni and your beef sauce together. Do not add too much water. Mix it as if you're mixing jollof rice. Try to add generously the beef sauce so every bite would have a good flavor or taste. Add the macaroni and beef, then add crackers, your cheese, and continue to layer until everything is completely used. Then over it and bake in the oven. And that's it. It's simple, and it's ready to serve. I like serving mine with vegetables and to make it balanced meal. I hope you like this video. If you do, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, sharing, and until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.